The previous videos explain the concept of SweepMe and how to save data. In this video, I will show you how to store your measurement procedures in setting files and how to restore them later on. SweepMe is not just a measurement software, it is also a development environment that allows you to create your own procedures using the sequencer. The sequencer procedures can be understood as individual programs, and typically people create many of them, one for each task. Any action related to settings is done in the menu Settings. Here, you save or load setting files. To begin, we load one of the example settings that come with the installation of SweepMe. The example PC stats is measuring the CPU, memory, and hard disk usage, and it can be used without connecting to any measurement equipment. It simply logs data over time and shows how to combine different widgets. Before we save this setting, let's do some modifications. In the sequencer, we can change the repetitions of the loop module from 1000 to non-stop by entering a 0. Now, we can save this modified setting as a new one. When you click Save Setting, the module tree of the sequencer, the parameters of each module, and the widget configuration of the dashboard will be saved to a human-readable text file. The default path is the public SweepMe folder settings, where the settings of all users can be found. This way, all users can make use of pre-configured and stable settings. The public SweepMe folder settings can be found via menu File, Open Folder, Settings. You can open the setting file with any standard text editor. Not only the setting files can be saved, they are also copied when you save data, as they represent the parameters used in your run. For this reason, it is helpful and useful to understand the structure of the file setting. At the beginning, you see the SweepMe version number, followed by the representation of the sequencer. Then, the modules and their parameters. Scrolling further down, you can find the configuration of the widgets. And at the end of the file, the window states and the geometries are saved. To load a setting, we again use the menu Setting and select Load Setting. After loading your setting, all relevant information will be restored. You can just press Run, and actually no further action is needed. Whenever you save data, a copy of the currently used setting will be copied to your measurement data folder. This way, you can easily restore a measurement, and furthermore, the setting file also acts as a header file that includes all parameters and configurations that you use to conduct your measurement. At some setups, there is one important measurement that is often repeated again and again. The corresponding setting can be set as standard setting, and it will be loaded when SweepMe is launched. Each profile has its own standard setting. Furthermore, a couple of settings are automatically saved. For example, the one of the last run and the one of the last session. In case you forgot to save your setting, these setting files can be used to restore a previous state. In this video, I quickly guided you through the handling of the setting files, so that you can now easily save and restore your procedures. The next video will be dedicated to showing you the sweeping parameters.